How to Dumbbell Step-Up plus Overhead Press. 1. Place the aerobic stepper on a flat, non-slip surface. 2. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height, palms facing forward or slightly inward. 3. Stand facing the stepper with feet hip-width apart. 4. Brace your core and keep your chest up. How to perform the movement. 1. Step up. Place your right foot firmly on the center of the stepper. Drive through your heel to lift your body up. 2. Press overhead. As you reach the top of the step-up, press both dumbbells straight overhead. Fully extend your arms without locking your elbows. 3. Control the descent. Lower the dumbbells back to shoulder height. Step down slowly with the same foot that stepped up first. 4. Repeat. Complete all reps on one side, then switch legs, or alternate legs each rep. Breathing. Exhale as you press the dumbbells overhead. Inhale as you lower the weights and step down. Muscles worked. Lower body, glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves. Upper body, shoulders, deltoids, triceps. Core, abs, obliques, lower back, stabilization. Coaching tips. Keep your knee aligned with your toes. Avoid pushing off too hard with the back foot. Maintain a neutral spine. Don't arch your lower back during the press. Start with lighter dumbbells to master balance. Variations. Single arm overhead press, one dumbbell at a time. Front rack hold instead of pressing. Higher stepper for more leg challenge. Alternating press at the top. Common mistakes to avoid. Letting the knee cave inward. Using momentum instead of control. Pressing before fully standing tall. Leaning too far forward. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.